I've got my glamorous assistants with me too. You girls helping me fix this, are you? Go on, out the way, ladies. I need to fix this. Come on. So, alright, so let's just give it a quick go. That's it. So, I can get it going. That's not the problem, but I cannot keep it going. And that, from what I've researched, means this thing here. So, first thing I'm going to do is cut off the fuel to it. Because what I don't want, I'm going to clamp the fuel here. And what I don't want to happen is for any more fuel than necessary, you know, to get in. Totally no idea what I'm doing here. But we'll clamp that and keep that there. Oh man, this is so not going to work. I already know this won't work. But hey ho. Let's just go anyway, guys. Let's just go anyway. I've got a feeling all this fuel's going to run out. Okay. Let's see. Don't really know what I'm doing. But hey ho. I never really have in life. Alright. Let's get this tank off. Alright, so I'm going to take this fuel tank, and if I take this down like this, in fact, I don't even need to do this now, do I? What's wrong with me? Right, I'm going to let this fuel tank hang. Right, fuel tank's going to hang there. You see that alright? Yeah, you can see that. It's pretty good, isn't it, actually? Listen, guys, I'm sorry, I don't know how long this thing's going to take. We could be here for hours. We could be here for minutes. But this, I know, is the bad boy. Okay, we're dripping. Oh, that's what she said. Alright, let's get this off. See what we're messing with here. A lot of petrol, that's for sure. Oh no, it's not that much. Alright, so we've got this thing here. Okay. Okay, so straight off the bat, that looks a little bit blocked. And does this just come off then now? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Right, what have we got here? How does this come off? There we go. Oh God. Oh, there's all sorts. Right, can you see that? Look at that. There's all sorts in there. The petrol doesn't look too bad, but oh God. Right, that has got a lot of shite in it. A lot. So we'll get rid of that. Let's have a look at this. It's corroded a little bit there. Try and clean that up the best I can, but this and this. Alright, so, and I've never done this before, this is just literally what I've seen on YouTube, but let's get these cleaned up first of all. So let's get this in and this in. Some nice hot water. My fingers stink of petrol now, which is good. That's the crazy thing. I like the smell of petrol. I actually do like the smell of petrol. Right. God damn thing. Let's have a look at this now. Oh gosh, what is, oh my days. There is a lot of gunk in here. Do you know what? I'm really hoping this fixes it. Oh man, there's a load of gunk there as well. Right, let's get all this gunk out. I've got a tiny little nail for this thing. Where is it? Let's get my nail out. Right. There we go. Hello. Right, so let's see. There's a hole here, which I'm just going to stick this in. Yep. Oh, this thing's so gunked up. But this, oh my God, this is just so full of disgusting crap. It's untrue. Got all this around here as well. Oh man. Give this a clean up. so much. This is normally the bit where you see people fast forwarding through, but I don't know how to do that function, so that won't be happening here. We're just going to give this a good clean. So yeah, this lawnmower has been nothing but trouble. But it was free, so I can't grumble. It was free. But yeah, the cord, this snapped, so I had to figure out how you get all of this off and fix that, which I managed to do. And now we've got this. If this doesn't work, by the way, I've got one last thing to try, which is the spark plug. Which a lot of people will probably say, why didn't you try the spark plug first? And that would be because I'm an idiot. Would be my my answer there. I'm dumb. That's why. But this is coming up nice, coming up grand, as Gromit would say, or Wallace, I should say, as Wallace would say. Grand, Gromit, grand. Oh, okay. So I'm going to let these soak for a minute in there, and I'm just going to try and give this a little clean up. I mean, there's so much crap in it. It's untrue. There really is a lot of crap here. Well, I'm hoping that's going to be the answer. If this doesn't work, I don't know what the bloody hell will, if I'm very honest. Oh yeah, do the spark plug, perhaps. We'll see. Alright. See this, what is it about the man in me now? Because this is like a petrol soaked rag, I've got a huge urge to go and burn. Go and get that going burning somewhere. How's my fuel? Is my fuel leaking out anywhere? No, we're good for fuel. That's good. Let's give this a clean round here. Oh man, the bloody state of it. Ah, Gunk City. Right, that's a bit of rubber. Oh dear. Right, so that's some rubber that's come off that I think should have actually stayed on. So my rigorous cleaning is, in fact, yeah, this has perished. So I'm gonna have to get a new. That needs a new little gasket. See, a new seal on it from somewhere. All right, so let's get this dried out now. Put it back together and see what happens. I'm not promising anything here. And the same with this. Let's use this old towel. I say it's an old towel. It is an old towel now. Don't tell anyone about it, guys. We'll keep this our secret. All right. Hello, friend. I've got a visitor again. Hello, my visitor. Beautiful. Come on. Oh, thank you. I love you too. I love you too. I'm a bit busy doing a TV show. Yeah, we're famous. Oh, no. Right. So now I'm being climbed on. Go on, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing to your daddy? Princess, do you want a kiss? I love you. Come on then, up. Get up then, you're getting up. Come on. Where are you going? Where are you going? You're not getting up? Anyway, back to this. So, here we go. Yeah, that's still roughly in the middle, innit? There we go. Right. So, I forgot what I'm doing now. Oh yeah, I'm putting this back on. Right, so, this bit fits here. Is that right? Something doesn't feel right, but let me see if this goes in. If this goes in, then it's right. Nah, that's not right. Let me check this out. Right. Oh, you flipping thing. All right. Alright, that could be it. Oh, I've lost my bloody screw now, honest to God. Right, let's put this in. Alright, and then okay. Oh, ha 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 ha. Look at that. Can you even see that? Look at that. Right, now. Alright, now we're cooking with gas. I say now we're cooking with gas, doesn't mean it's going to work. Right. Get this on now. Can I get this closer for you guys? There we go. Right. Come on. Okay. Can you imagine if this actually works? Like, save myself a fortune. Put this back on. Alright, there's my fuel tank back on. Screw these back in. I should probably use some sort of ratchet for this, but I can pretty much screw bolts in with my hands normally. Right. Okay. Let's get some fuel in here. That's what this button does. So right now this is putting fuel inside of here. And what I'm hoping is that now it's all been cleaned up and cleaned out, it's going to let it travel through and around. Well, let's see. Alright, that's going to be pretty flooded now. Alright, this is the moment of truth, guys. This is what you came here for. God. Right. That could not have gone better. That could not have gone better. Someone's happy. Are you happy? Come on, happy. Oh, come on, happy girl. Come on, happy. Are you happy it's fixed? I am. I'm happy. Oh, she says, can I climb on you, please? And eat you. We did it, so now I can mow my lawn again now for the second time. Come on, baby. Are you happy for me? I'm happy for me. Yeah, I'm happy. Oh, eating me. Stop eating me. You'll have the other one over in a minute. Oh, baby. Yes, I love you too. I love you too. All right? I love you too. I love you too. Princess. I love you too. Oh no, here's the other one. Here's trouble. Oh, Leia. Have you come to save me? No. Anyway, all done. Thanks for joining, guys.